Hi, it's me, Emma. Now it's time for our first exercise. We'll be using the CARS dataset. In this file, we have data about car sales, including details like the car make, model, nickname, car gender, buyer age, password, country, city, dealer, location, latitude and longitude, color, whether it's a new car, purchase date, sales figures, sale price, discount, resale price, 5-year depreciation, top speed, and 0-60 time. But we don't need all of this information. What we really need are make, model, buyer gender, purchase date, sale price, and top speed. So go ahead and remove the other columns before you start. Hi everyone, it's Emma again. We'll be using the CARS dataset for this exercise tasks. 1. Summarize sales. Create a table or pie chart showing total sales price by buyer gender. 2. Fastest car model. Find the top model based on maximum speed. 3. Yearly sales trends. Use a line chart to track year-over-year sales changes. 4. Top 5 countries by sales. Create a table showing the top countries by total sales price. Ensure the purchase date is formatted as a date. We'll start by creating a slicer by make and select Cadillac. Let's get started.